Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yuti Arts. I am Yutika. Today we are back with yet another mesmerizing painting on the occasion of Rath Yatra, basically celebrated in the East India. We are going to paint Lord Jagannath with his sister Subhadra and his brother Balabhadra, and we are going to use acrylic colors. The video is going to be a bit lengthy as the painting itself is a bigger one. Kindly watch the video till the end and do like, share and subscribe my channel Yuti Arts, and your opinion really counts. Let us start the painting. I have done the sketching part and kept it ready for the painting. We have to take proper measurements so that all three of them are aligned properly and looks perfectly fine. We have started painting Subhadra and we are painting the face first, leaving the border alongside. For the face we are using yellow color. In the same way, now we are painting the face of Lord Jagannath using black color. As you know, Jagannath is an avatar of Lord Vishnu. We will also paint the face of Balabhadra using white color. Next, we will start painting the borders. The borders of the face will be painted crimson or in red color for all three of them. Also, the borders alongside the eyes and the lips will be painted crimson for all three of them. Now for the eyebrows and the tika, all we require contrasting colors. But for Subhadra's eyebrow, we will use white color and we'll give it a border with black so that it's visible properly. Same will be done for Jagannath's eyebrow as well. I mean to say, we are going to use white color for Jagannath's eyebrow. Okay, now for the Balabhadra's eyebrow, we are going to use light blue color as the face of Balabhadra is painted white. So we are going to use contrasting colors and it is light blue. Now for painting the tika, actually we can use any color like yellow, orange, white, red, which will depict sandalwood tika, kumkum tika or kesar tika. So it's of your choice, you can use any color for tika. Next we are painting the eyeball in black for all three of them. After completing with the face, there are more details on the face which we'll do later on. Now painting the body. We are using green for Balabhadra, pink for Subhadra and blue for Jagannath. I have made the colors light in shade by mixing a bit of white color because while detailing we will require darker shades of the same color. Next, I am painting the wooden arms of Lord Jagannath using burnt sienna mixed with a bit of white color, and will be painted the same for Subhadra and Balabhadra as well. Painting a good design of conch, or you can see the shank on the arms. Let us now paint the background first, and we will do the detailing part later on. If the background is done after the detailing work, it may overlap the painting and disturb the detailing work. So let us paint the background now. We are using lemon yellow, yellow ochre, deep orange and crimson from bottom to the top. We will use a sponge to dab orange and crimson, which will give a fiery effect. As said earlier, now using darker shades to show the folds of sari or dhoti, and we are going to do the same for all three. We are now using golden color to paint the crown or the mukut, and also will paint the nose ring. Now using silver color to give a perfect shine on the clothing. To paint the garland, I am using a round stencil brush, loaded the brush with white color and dab, dab, dab. See, now the garlands are not always white in color. So let us add some flowers to it. We are left with the last part of our massive painting, and that is the ornaments. Yep, using golden again for the same. Using the other end of the brush for the round textures. Dip it in the paint and just press it against your canvas. And yay! You get these beautiful ornaments. And we are done with the painting. Jai Jagannath and happy Rath Yatra to all. Did you like the painting? Do mention your opinions in the comment section below. Also, like, share and subscribe Yuthi Arts. See you in the next painting. Till then, bye bye.